Good morning, students. Continue of this class, we are going to study about the challenging verbs. और पिछले क्लास में जो देखा था उसके आगे है राइज राइजेस राइज टू राइज एस लगा है और राइजेस और राइज टू राइज योरसेल्फ I rises from my bed when I am no longer tired. Or rise to rise something else. दोनों क्रियाएं ही हैं rise और raise. I always raise my hand in the class. देखिए rise और raise में क्या अंतर है ये समझना होगा हम लोगों को. जनरली उसको हम लोग बोल देते हैं raise your hand. It's not raise, it's raise your hand और ये है raise. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. राइज योरसेल्फ, राइज राइजिंग, रोज राइजिंग. याद होगा आपको वर्ब फॉर्म्स. ऑब्जेक्ट है हमारा, फिर अगर राइज है कि राइज, राइजिंग, रेज्ड, रेज्ड. See, notice that the transitive verb, the one you do an object, is more regular than the intransitive verb, the one you do to yourself. Rise, adding ing and ed, it changes the form of the meaning of the word. I rise in the morning when my alarm goes off. I am rising from my bed right now. I rose my bed, rose. I rose my bed from my bed late yesterday. In the past, I have risen as earlier as 5 p.m. am. जो भी हो. तो राइज का अर्थ हुआ कि कैसे हम किसी चीज़ को एराइज करें. रेज का अर्थ हुआ कि हम किसी चीज़ को किस तरह से, रेजिंग योर हैंड्स का जो एग्जाम्पल है समझ रहे हैं ना. द ट्री रेज्ड, योर हेयर गॉट रेज्ड इन द विंड. I raise the window shade every morning. I am raising the window shade now. Yesterday I raised the window shade. In the past I have raised the window shade. See, review verbs, agreement and challenges. Questions and emphatic statements. Sometimes the subject of a sentence can be hard to find. In a question, the subject usually comes between the helping verb and the main verb. To find the subject, keep all the words from the question and turn into a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence मैंने आपको parts of sentences में बता दिया है. Did you decide to keep the puppy happy morning? Did you decide to keep the puppy? See here and there, the agreements of the verbs, the agreements of the sentences according to the number, person and tense. Even if a sentence begins with here and there, these two words can never be the subject. Mind it. In the sentences like this, the subject usually comes after the verb. Find the verb and ask yourself who, what did it. You can also rearrange the sentence switching the part after the verb with the part in front of the verb. Inverted phrase and the sentence. Sometimes a sentence is inverted, means the just opposite, which means the normal sentence order is reversed. The sentence begins with the prepositional phrase and the subject has been placed after the verb. if the verb and ask you the what you did, you can also rearrange the sentence by switching the part after the verb with the part of the predicate nouns. In a sentence with a linking verb has a predicate noun, the verb must still agrees with the subject, not the predicate noun. The subject generally comes before the verb and the predicate noun after the verb. In a question, however, they both come after the verb. So, more in next class. Get prepared with these questions which has been arranged. Thank you. Have a nice day.